Let's start out by creating the sprites. You'll notice that Scratch has a pretty good collection of sprites of different characters and objects, but unfortunately there's not a lot of these sprites that resemble the trash that we're trying to collect in this game. But don't worry, because we can be creative and create our own sprites. In my demo version of this game, I had 6 different pieces of trash. Let's look at the first one, which is just a garbage or plastic bag. So to do so, we can look at this costume, and essentially how I made the sprite was using the handy paintbrush tool and painting a design of this shape that's supposed to replicate a plastic bag that's kind of floating in the sea. You'll notice that there are some handy tools where you can change your brush size, the brush color, and even zoom in as you're trying to get those intricate areas. Again, in your version of the game, you can create any pieces of trash that you'll like. I'll show you the other sprites that I used in my version. So one sprite I had was a Sprite can. Next, I tried to make a takeout box, which looks like this. This beach ball shape was already a sprite that's included, and so was the glasses. The banana was also a sprite that was included, but to just make it look more like garbage, I actually hand painted some brown spots to make it look a bit old. Getting perfect shapes can also be hard to draw. So one technique you can do is actually just alter existing sprites. For example, with these bubbles, I actually created it by using the orange sprite. I'll walk you through how I did that. So we'll go into sprites, and we'll go to the food category and find the orange. Next, because we want to alter the appearance of the sprite, we want to go into costumes. Once we're in costumes, you can see that now we have this orange sprite. And what I want to do is first I change the color of it. So I can go into fill and try to get this bluish aqua color that is going to resemble the bubbles. Next, you'll notice there's some specks on this orange. So what I did was you can select this whole thing and just delete that. So awesome, now we have a bubble looking shape. And again, you can kind of resize this based on your preference. To make it look like there's mini bubbles, you can also just copy and paste it. So just select all, can copy and paste, and you can also alter the size of these ones as well. Awesome job! So that's how I created the bubble sprite. Feel free to get creative by altering or creating your own sprites for the garbage and various characters in this game. You'll also notice that there's various backgrounds and wallpapers for this game. So one way we can do that is we can go into our backdrops on the side and go into this backdrops tab, and we can add and create our own backdrop. So this is the main one I used, which is just the underwater scene. And when the game is over, I switch to this game over background. Now let's move on to actually programming the diver sprite.